Dear friends, today in this video, we are going to talk about the great need, urgent need for having more benches and the Honorable NCL 80. Now, already Justice Rakesh Kumar Jain sir has retired on 26th, and now Honorable Chairperson Justice Ashok Bhushan is going to retire shortly. 20 more working days are there. And this is a video where we would like to emphasize the need for more benches, and with a request that Honorable Bhushan sir has got date of birth is July 6th. So 26 till then he should be persuaded to be there because this is the time of joining. If you reckon, then this November is the due date. But then 70 years is the maximum upper limit where lordships can continue. Ashok Bhushan sir is respected all round. It's a very good judge. And over this period, the contribution to the jurisprudence of this insolvency legislation is immense. No doubt about it. Fully energetic. Lordships comes very kind to everybody, but strict. Several numerous landmark judgments were delivered. Therefore, there is a lot of gap with judicial members going, and therefore this video is basically focusing on requesting or ensuring or whatever it is to have lordships to continue till June 26. Now, the Honorable Justice Jain, Ashok Bhushan sir, is born on 5th July 1956. And Lordship was the Judge of Honorable Supreme Court of India. And then now for the last 21 to 25, 4 years. And here their accepting position in NCL 80 is a great thing. Their valuable time. Otherwise, in arbitration and all, it will be immense good for them. But what they considered is good for the nation, and they've come before us. Now I'm talking basically concerned about the Chennai bench, South India. Now Chennai bench has got two bench infrastructure wise. There are 2 division benches are there, well drafted, furnished, pakka, wonderful, and it was inaugurated quite some time back, and then now with Rakesh Kumar Jain sir retiring, he was up here taking care of all the matters which are recused by the regular general bench. Now Lordship has demitted his office. Now Justice Sesha is going to take over this thing. So if we have one more bench, it will be really good, because the one official of the government top official said the problem for this failure of these legislations is because of the judiciary, he said. Now you don't appoint judges, you take a lot of time. Then why did you have 2 benches and then no second bench judges are appointed? So who is at fault? And it is very difficult because in appellate court, they have to hear the both sides. The NCLT is driven by principles of natural justice. Hear both parties. And the stakes involved are hundreds of crores. Topmost lawyers come and fight with you. So everybody should be given opportunity of being heard. And the Supreme Court is not at all a court for adjudication. I remember one very important this court judgment. It was appeal, statutory appeal 62, and we find that one of our clients, one known person, item was 10. They engaged very top lawyer, 10 lakhs per hearing, 9. And The Honorable Chief Justice Chandrachud, 9, immediately 11 is it. 11 was mine. And 10, the person saying 10 not come, no, it is dismissed. That extent, the Supreme Court listens or not listens, it is very difficult. Even assuming Honorable Supreme Court gives a notice, Justice Abhay Oak sir was telling me, Mr. Venkat Shivakumar, you think once notice comes, then that other side will have to file counter. And when there is stay is not there, they are happy. Stay is there, you are happy. Then it will go for years together, listening and all. Therefore, Supreme Court, you cannot rely upon that for a quick result. And this inherently thousands of petitions are there, are pending here. And this is reason because the immense knowledge of Justice Ashok Bhushan sir and his kindness, his way of adjudication. Anybody you ask, they will say, "Oh, very, very good judge, very, very good judge." And so, if he continues for another 10 months, it will be very good for the nation, is what I think. Now, the Chennai bench is handled. One bench one is there, is done by, is presided over by the judicial member, Justice Sharad Kumar Sharma, and their lordship is certainty of justice is pretty good, 100%. One person was asking me, "What happened to? Can you tell me what happened to my case?" And then he was not present that day. I asked him, "What was your case?" It's a condemnation delay by the other side, and whether the stay will be granted. I said, "Be assured, condemnation delay notice will be served." That's how the procedure. And lordship really a lesson for everybody on his energy, his passion, and sincerity, and listening power, juniors preference, and strict, and it's a great. He's from Delhi, so everybody is saying that he may be shifted to Delhi. But we have to wait and see whether the Chennai bench certainty is pretty high because we know him very well. And then we have recently Justice Seshai. Seshai is a very well-known personality. He's very young, energetic person, a sportsman, kind, very listener, very jovial. And natural just and procedures are his, you cannot. I remember in one case, I was appearing as a lawyer was there, advocate. Thereafter, I appeared as a part in person. He told me, "Mr. Venkat Shivakumar, I am a man of procedures. So you first give a letter to the registry that take a letter from the lawyer that he is not appearing for you. Then I will listen." It was a very important case. Stay petition was asked. He is very good in civil procedure code, a good listener, and inquisitive to learn, and very pleasant, always handsome man, always smiling, and certainty. He will not favor or disfavor, bias or unbiased, nothing is there, and he'll according. But in insolvency is new, and it will be very new because the insolvency has grown too much, and lordship has been during the tenure in the last passed some landmark judgments on Section 9 and other things. But be as it may, so we are satisfied. Chennai bench, and everybody say he will get transferred to Chennai, and it's good for him, lordships, as well as for all the people. And then one more bench is also a need of the hour. That is the reason why. Actually, the Chennai bench came to Chennai bench came because I filed a bill. And in that bill, first time I went to there, then Justice Mukhopadhyay was appearing. Then when I went there, so many people are waiting. They have to go to from here to Delhi. The procedures are terrifically difficult, and it will never be listed. Mistakes like that they will put it. And now Supreme Court, if you take very good information technologies when you file it, extraordinarily good. So I thought never you will get relief, and its cost of appearances, all Delhi people are there. So then I filed a bill. When I filed the bill, but that 33,383, it came before Justice Division Bench, and thereafter, because of that, it came. It didn't come for Bombay, Calcutta, or other places, two places. So, but then today nobody, you see, you do the work, sincerity. Then what happened? The chairperson, Mr. Justice Bhatt, was there. He said only for hitherto filed cases only Chennai bench will adjudicate, but they will not adjudicate the old 352 cases. Then again I filed one bill 8170 of 20. Then Madras High Court asked why you do all this. Sanjeev Banerjee was there, justice. He immediately they transferred it. Then I filed one more bill, 14357, asking there no benches are there. How can you adjudicate? You can't pressurize judges working 3 to 4 benches. It's very difficult to listen. We are thinking you file immediately, you get result. But they won't understand. And all judges, lawyers cannot be putting up. When the lawyer is charging 5 lakhs per thing, he will have to spend time. The client should feel, oh, my advocate worked for 1 hour and all that. And Justice Sharad Kumar Sharma, sir, some of the judgments we want to see, we'll analyze. It's very good judge. And lucky he is going to be there for long. And this Seshasai sir is from Madras High Court, appointed as judicial member of this recently, very recently, May. That means maximum 5 months only over. His distinguished character, Tamil Nadu Judicial Service, has got a very good command on procedures, very good command on civil procedure code is fingertips. And he's inquisitive, very good learner. He'll ask, what is this? How do we do this? And he has got his own mind on an issue. And now the most important part, Gawai sir is telling, this is very, very important. Justice Gawai, for judges' conduct says they must exercise their immense power with humility and responsibility. Actually, friends, a judicial member or any member of NCLAT, 4 years, he will sit in the same bench. Whatever he can say is your fate. So it is a self-regulation type of a thing, because once the judge is there, nobody can do anything. If the judge is very harsh or this thing, the lawyer's profession is gone for 4 years. Therefore, it is inbuilt when the system takes care, a person should be dutiful to the God. Even if the worst enemy comes before him, he should be able to adjudicate. And luckily, all these judges are like this. There is no question of enmity, and there is no question of anger. All we have. I have appeared before Justice Venugopal for a very long time. Then Justice Rakesh Kumar sir, for quite some time. And Sharad Kumar Sharma ji, he recused. So therefore, my cases have gone to Rakesh Kumar Jain sir. And now it will come before the Seshasai bench. That is the thing. Now, I would like to take, because we are trying to plead for, because I have a right to file a appeal given by Madras High Court. And I am planning to file a bill for a second bench. But I was told that the government is, after the judgment of Nagaratnam, Justice Nagaratnam Madam and bench of R. Mahadevan, who criticized the government and posted the matter. So by then all tribunals are getting filled up, and many of our people told me. And so I'm just waiting. So this is an exercise to help get ideas or advices from my friends, so that we'll prepare for bill and